Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234, and our address is 2261 Southwest College Road. And when you arrive and you see that pretty flag, that patriotic horse, you're at Prestige. Taking just a quick moment to highlight a vehicle that we bought about 15 minutes ago. We purchased it from a retired pilot from down in the Villages area. He had just had it as what he called a holdover vehicle. He sold his Tesla and had ordered a new Tesla and needed something to drive till it arrived. This 2017 Ford Escape Titanium Hybrid has 17,000 miles, smoke-free cabin, heads-up display, navigation, I believe heated and cooled seats, a big sky view roof that covers the whole top of the vehicle, leather interior, and just a little gem. This Tesla will be in next week, and he was super excited and had done some homework, and Prestige at Ocala was his best value for selling. Leather interior, it's got the rubber mats, factory navigation, steering wheel controls, all the Bluetooth technology. You can see that sunroof covers the whole top. So a quick 90 seconds on a very, very fresh arrival. It's just how the gentleman Ed got out of it. 2021 Ford Escape Titanium Hybrid, which I suspect is about 45 miles to the gallon, 17,000 miles, and just about every bell and whistle that you can get, including heads-up display, navigation, the sky view roof, and this is a gem. Chris at Prestige in Ocala. We're at 352-694-1234. I look forward to your visit. We'll see you at the store.